Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at Forum Lviv, and it is actually a huge 3-story mall, maybe 4 stories. There's some kind of museum or some kind of thing underneath, but Forum Lviv, and it also has one of the biggest grocery stores and the nicest grocery stores I've seen in Lviv. So anyway, so if you're looking for something special or nice or extraordinary or different, this is the place to come. Bye everybody. Okay, so this place is called Forum Lviv, and it's just this huge mall. And it's got like 2 or 3 floors to it. But another nice thing is that it has this incredible grocery store. And it's a little bit out of town. It's north of the town. But it's a huge grocery store and everything's within walking distance. And this is the name of the grocery store. I don't know. I won't even try. But the mall, I figured people need to know what the mall is, and you can see that it's 3 floors, and it's huge, and it has all sorts of name brand things and Apple stores and Levi stuff, Pandora, The Body Shop, iQuiz, Goldini, I don't know. But so if you ever come to Lviv, at least you know this is here. So this is north of the Opera House, and it is a big, nice place. I'm gonna put it on widescreen so you get a better picture. And this is just the downstairs. I don't think you need to see all the upstairs. Under Armour, we all know that, and Levi's is here too. You know, so if you're looking for something or you're needing something name brand, Lacoste, this is the place to go. Does this show you? That shows you what it kind of looks like. But it's called the Forum Lviv. Levi's. I don't know what that one is. And you can bring your dog. Anyway, I just thought I'd take a second and show you that there is a huge mall here, and I think that's a food place up there on top. And there is a downstairs too. And it looked like this place was built on something else, but I don't know for sure. So like this downstairs here, you know, I think it's a memorial or a monument, maybe. I don't know. Because you can see the writing and stuff, but it's all not English. But it's obviously an entrance over here, so you can go and get inside the place. And that's the name of it. Forum Lviv is the name of this building. Here's a better map for you. Yeah, so the 3rd floor is that. So it has the McDonald's. And then here are the name of the stores. I'll try to zoom out so you can get as much information as possible. And you can pause here. Anyway, big place. Huge place. And they have elevators and escalators. An Apple room. Anyway. Well, that's it, everybody. At least you know there's a mall here. Bye-bye.